Here we are, fully laden trailers, now loaded up here on Tewkesbury Ham. There we are. Hay's been cut, turned, baled, and now loaded onto the trailers there. Not by traditional manpower, but by the use of that JCB. Loaded a lot of bales on that. These are also the larger bales, and also using lorry trailers, so quite efficient here. Could well be contractors, of course. A lot different if you're a small holder. Yeah, loading a few more up down there before that one goes off to the farm. This is the Tewkesbury Ham. Another trailer coming up here. Saves 2 or 3 men lifting them, and then to load the trailer up as well. What else they can be dropped on the trailer? Sometimes they have to be rearranged, but normally they can be placed on there. There we are, another one of those JCBs there. Lift the bales up there. Another trailer coming up here which is not fully laden. Quite rate of knots there. Someone is waving to me, I think probably one of the Bulgarians there. Certainly in the higher gears there. There we are. Loading up. So down there as well. Here on the Tewkesbury Ham. Certainly using the revs there as well. I think there's probably a few more may go on there, but there's another trailer here as well. Not sure if they'll take that one or if there's any others to be collected. Well, I think that possibly, you may say that's it for tonight, you never know. Although of course there is bales still out there, so might be up bright and early tomorrow morning. Depending on the weather forecast, which is always the most important thing in farming, and certainly this time work as well, to make sure that you don't damage the crop by rain overnight. Can make the bales very heavy, and certainly not very nice for winter use either. These need to be put in, certainly kept as dry as possible for the best crop to last all the winter as well. Well, there we are, starters up there. Another tractor and trailer coming in, most likely. One's of course just left. There we are, almost fully laden there. Out for the flour mill. The only way of getting out the river here, the Tewkesbury Ham harvest. Well, this takes place once a year. Flood permitting. Usually quite flooded here about 3 times a year, but dog walkers around as well. Even somebody out there at the moment as this is taking place, which wouldn't have thought was advisable, but a lot of dog walkers do walk across the ham. Lovely summer's evening here.